Anyways, guys, hi everybody. Oh, it's been a long time that I made a YouTube video, but hi everybody. Welcome back to my channel. This is Kenny. So, I'm putting up the Christmas tree today. Thanks to my wonderful, I can't even talk anymore, yo. Thanks to my wonderful friend Cecilia.
Flashback.
She was able to help to put the Christmas light. We did it together, and we had to move it from the kitchen over here because I did the tree flock in the kitchen. I did a tree flock in the kitchen, so we have to move it over here. It's here. It's good. So right now I'm about to put the ornaments and the bows and the tree skirt and the everything in the tree. The theme for the Christmas tree is metallic. So I'm using rose gold, copper, white, silver, gold. It's like, what time? It's like 12 a.m. right now. So I have to do stuff in the morning. So I have to get on with this and get it done. I need to stop talking. And with that being said, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you enjoyed this video, let me know any other video that you want me to make. I will make it. Do not forget to follow me on social media. Usually I post a lot of things on there, even before I get to YouTube. So do not forget to follow me. And yeah.
A few inches later.
So guys, I'm back again. I know I've not done the Christmas tree yet. And I've not slept. It's 4:30 a.m. right now. I know I didn't do the Christmas tree, but the reason why I didn't do the Christmas tree was because my camera went off and I had to charge it, and I wanted to record it. So while I was waiting for that to be charged, I decided to do something. You might have noticed it. If you did not notice it, you can flip back to the last scene. Before this, you see that the wall was like just pure white. It was just plain. So I just did this. I just did that right there. So that was a lot of work. I'm not gonna lie, that was a lot of work. But I'm about to do the Christmas tree. I will be under the mistletoe.
Lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, 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 down through the chimney with boots and tick. This is just a game on it, it's true. Trying to tell me if you're really there. Don't make me feel let's see.
all I have to do is put the skirt, the tree skirt, which I made by myself, by the way. I just bought the fabric and I cut it in skirt. If you know how to sew skirt, this is just like that, as simple as that. So I'm just gonna put this underneath and then put some little decor right there. I'm gonna put this right here.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy
Guys, I'm done with the second layer. This is what it looks like. I'm giving it about 10 minutes for it to dry a little bit before I put the last